I'm going to practice with you with my voice on to make sure you knew that I was signing on the video. So first one is the sign for a go past. It's just straight back behind you. The farther in time you want to talk about, the farther your arm will go back. Okay. The next one, the sign for just. Tap your X hand on your cheek. The next one, the sign for last month, last week, and last year. I said you can see it signed two different ways. Okay. You can see it signed two separate signs, the sign for past plus the sign for week, month, or year. However, the more popular choice or the more commonly seen sign is typically that compound sign where they put the two signs together to make one. So it's no stopping, one fluid motion. For example, on last week, I signed week and I continued the sign in the past direction. Okay, that is more typically seen than two separate signs. Okay. For last year, you can sign last year. However, once again, more common, definitely seen more in deaf culture, it's going to be this last year, where you take that fist and you move the hand shape back, the pointer finger back. Now, for all of those, we're implying that it's happened one time. Okay. Remember, based on rule of 9, you can change your hand shaped up to the number 9 hand shape to show a different amount. So for example, I could be 2 weeks in the past or 3 years ago. Okay, you just change the number hand shape for that dominant hand. The last two, long time ago, notice how I'm using both hands and I am moving it in a far back direction because I'm indicating a farther back in time. Okay. And then the last one, used to or before, it stays a little closer to the side of my face on the dominant side, but it definitely still has a backwards motion because we're talking about past. Anything talking about past has to move in a backwards direction. Okay. Most people are going to use this sign for the phrase when I was. For example, when I was 5, I learned to ride my bike. Okay, when I was, and then you follow it with a phrase or your number, hand shape, etc. Okay. All right, that's it for the past. Next class, we'll learn the future signs.